So we met Jesse, our friend, so at ICS West. Jesse, what do you think about this Ubiquiti stand? What do you find the most exciting? You know, it's a lot of new products, right?
It is. I'll take one of everything.
Right.
I have to probably call out the previously unshone UDM Beast that's up here on the top.
Yep.
That's, I think, going to be a monster of a device. There's a couple things also here that they haven't shown off publicly. They have announced the UDR, the Dream router with 5G. That's over there. They've got it showing. It's got a big, beautiful screen on there, 5G capability. Big fan of that. They also have over on the SuperLink side the carbon monoxide and smoke detector, which I haven't seen, an air quality sensor, and also the key fob for the remote in order to arm and disarm the alarm. I was hoping that I would be able to see the screen, the touchpad for the alarm that we saw in the video recently, but I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah, same. Smoke detector is actually, we have a lot of customers asking, like, is there like any smoke? And it seems like the security sensor and all this alarm series is getting like the more and more products they're releasing.
Yeah. There's also on that note the SuperLink high availability,
right?
Which is, I think, a cellular connected to your alarm, which they had to do that. It's monitoring. It's an alarm. You can't have that lose connection.
Yeah, and you know, overall, like after recent releases, so they improving. Like Jesse said, UDM Beast. It's like huge. Like so, new chip, much more performance on the like gateways, new switches like enterprise. I was never that bullish, on the Ubiquiti, and they're like really disrupting, not only network like business, but also physical security.
Yeah.
Like every day we hear like from our customers, so they want, like when new cameras release, like it's new features, new like AI stuff, you can do like more alarm monitoring, like, and we're really enjoying like deploying Ubiquiti because like, we like bring our clients the most recent, I would say the best possible technology for the physical security on the market.
Yeah, definitely. And then as an extension of that, they're also going into the high quality audio space with these black switches over here. We haven't really seen much of those yet, but those, I mean, one is full of SFP ports for connectivity, and the other one is power over Ethernet, PoE. So there's going to be a lot of really interesting things coming to extend that even further. You've got, the network, you've got the cameras, you've got the Wi-Fi obviously as part of the network, you have access control. This is the whole building ecosystem. It's now really starting to come together with the sensors on the Connect side, or not the Connect side, the SuperLink side, and then now AV, Pro AV as well. So I'm here for it. I think it's going to be a big year, and I'm super excited to see it.
Right. Nice to meet you, JC.
Yeah, likewise. Yes Techie's the best. They paid me to say that Yes Techie is the greatest integrator in the world.
Okay, that's it.
They're going to cut the they paid me part.